everyone, welcome to my first and probably only edition of Cooking for Kyle. Today we're going to make engagement chicken. Engagement chicken is sort of a version of a recipe that I saw once in Glamour magazine. Apparently the chicken is so good you're guaranteed to get a ring. I don't necessarily think that this particular chicken has anything to do with my marital status, but it is quite tasty. I've cut myself. The first thing I need to do is chop my butter, half my lemon, and chop my garlic. Now that my ingredients are prepared, comes the part that's actually really easy to do but pretty tricky to record. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take the pats of butter, the chopped garlic, and I'm going to put them under the skin of the chicken on the breasts, thighs, legs, and back. And then afterwards I'm going to squeeze lemon juice over the bird and top with salt and fresh ground pepper. Sometimes you get a bit too much help in the kitchen. So again, I'm going to take my chicken, I'm going to start here at the top of the breast. We kind of separate the skin away from the breast meat to make a nice little hole. Kind of feel, I don't know, mean when I do this. And then, like I said, take the butter and you want to put that kind of down the skin to get nice even butter coverage in various parts of the bird. You'll have to make a couple of slits by the thigh and the legs to really work that butter down there. So do that as necessary. Both the dog and the cat are staring at me right now. I think they think this process is pretty cool. And so that's fun to have extra help always. Can I help you? Could you be quiet? I'm trying to make a film. And then finally I'm going to take my leftover lemon halves and I'm just going to cram those into the body cavity. Because raw chicken's pretty gross, I'm going to wash my hands before picking up the salt and pepper. So now your bird is prepared. You're faced with a couple of challenging decisions. If you want to cook your chicken in 45 minutes, use an Instapot. If you want to cook your chicken in 2.5 hours, bake it in the oven. Today we're going to go for the long version and we're going to throw it in the smoker, which I've been preheating in the garage. Alright, so we're on our way to the garage right now with the chicken, some applewood chips that I've been soaking, and it's raining, so that's fun. So I've been preheating the smoker for about a half hour now. And I'm just going to open the gate, the little latches here, and open the latches. And inside I have the smoker. I forgot a hot mitt, which is going to suck when I add the chips. So I'm going to take care of that. I'm going to pull this out. Just use my finger with the Band-Aid on it. I'm going to add my chips down here. Make sure and give myself a pretty good steam burn on that because I sometimes don't know what I'm doing with those. Here we go. This particular smoker is equipped with a temperature probe, which I'm going to insert into the fattest part of the chicken down here, midway into the breast. And that will give me a readout up here on my panel so I can check to make sure that my bird is appropriate temperature when it's done. Alright, so it's been about 7 hours and our chicken has reached its desired temperature. It's time to unlock the smoker. You can see some smoky goodness starting to escape there from the sides. And in here, it's pretty dark. We have a beautiful smoked bird. And here we have the finished product. Happy eating!